This pumpkin is so big, we have to cut the top out with the chainsaw. It's flipping incredible. We tried a knife, it's not going to work. So we're getting out the Husky. Absolutely unbelievable.
Look at all this stuff. Pull it out now.
I think we got it now.
No. Come on. This is insane.
We got her.
Oh, look how thick that is. Oh my gosh.
We had to get out the chainsaw.
Look how much pumpkin is in there. We had to use the chainsaw the knife wasn't enough.
You're not gonna be able to carve that thing.
Oh yeah, because look it.
It's all thin, right? It's just
all
like
hollow in
it's
there.
just right by the stem.
Oh my god, you're serious? Oh god. That's unbelievable. Where did the keys baby? In the car?
Yeah. Yeah, it's all hollow in there, Mom.
Oh god. You're just watching this sort of be at something else.
Look at it. It's hollow.
There's like a person in there or something.
Yeah, the knife was just not working for us.
Oh my gosh, that is insane.
So
we'll figure out how that went somehow.
right there.
Like that. Good enough. Okay. Jeez.
It smells good.